In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone 14. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your DualSense controller wirelessly on an iPhone 14 or any other model. You will be able to connect it and play any games that natively support controllers. So all that you have to do is first ensure that your PlayStation 5 controller is sufficiently charged. First, power it off and you will be able to ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone 14. So to start, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and now you need to put your controller into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. Eventually, after you hold these buttons simultaneously, for a few seconds, the light bar will start blinking. When you see the light bar start blinking, it indicates that it is now ready to be paired. So now, if you look on the screen on your iPhone, you will be able to find the PlayStation 5 controller under the list of available devices. So just choose it from the list of Bluetooth devices nearby, and immediately upon selecting it, the light bar will stop blinking and remain stable, indicating that the connection was established. Now the iPhone should detect the controller as a Bluetooth device, and you will be able to use it completely wirelessly. So you can open any game that supports it natively, and you will be able to play without any issues. If you notice that the connection does not work right away, then you can try restarting your iPhone, turning Bluetooth off and then on again, and then restarting the whole process. So press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously, give it a few seconds. When you see the light bar start blinking, it indicates that it is in pairing mode, and you can choose it from under the list. Every single future time that you power on the PlayStation 5 controller, it will automatically connect itself to the iPhone 14. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone 14. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.